5280's fifth prediction addresses quality in new builds. How are you preparing your buyers when they're looking at new builds?
So new builds present a cool opportunity, but a lot of times people are buying based on renditions. And my biggest warning is not to buy pre-construction. I haven't seen it be a great investment for a lot of people, but when you're buying pre-construction, you're going off of a beautiful architectural rendition, and the final product never actually looks like the pictures. Mm-hmm. And so I definitely think that if you're going to buy new construction, maybe wait until post-construction when it's complete. There's usually always units available. And wait till they're complete. And then my other warning would be probably to avoid a builder contract if possible. So if you're doing pre-construction, there's no way to avoid that. But if the unit's completed, then you can use a Colorado contract. And you recently had experience with a builder contract.
Yeah, and I'm so happy that you touched base on that, because especially with a new build contract, it really is it is created in the benefit of the builder. And so your buyer really doesn't have as much protection, whereas with the Colorado contract, that's created to protect our buyers. And so it is really important, if you do have the option of doing a Colorado contract, to be sure to use that and protect them.
The builder contract also releases them from a lot of the liabilities in case there were quality issues, then they're really not held accountable. And we've seen new developments gone wrong. Midtown had a lot of problems with formaldehyde beams being installed in a lot of their new homes, which delayed move-ins. And Skyland Village is in my neighborhood, and that delivered almost a year after promised, and people's lives completely changed. So I would recommend just getting into something once construction is done and you can see the final product and it's delivered and ready to move in.
That's a great suggestion.